It is honestly the best hack out there. I mean, have a look at that gunk. Absolutely disgusting. What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How-To. So today I've got another shower cleaning hack for you guys. It is the one that I've been showing you guys in the past, and the reason why I'm doing a follow-up is some people seem to doubt my method, but I'm going to show you guys just how effective it is. We've got a dirty shower screen here that looks almost frosted. You can't see through. As I put my hand through the other side, it completely disappears. So it's not the greatest shower screen, but I'm going to restore it back to brand new. Let's do this. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to do this step by step with the camera from the outside and also on the inside of the shower screen. 95% of this mess will be on the inside. It's a buildup of soap scum, whole bunch of other stuff, whatever chemicals or products the people have been using here, and they've obviously never cleaned it. So the first thing I always like to do is spray the glass with a bit of diluted vinegar. So just a little bit of water and cleaning vinegar. And the reason why I do this is, number one, it's going to help break everything down. Number two, it's going to prevent all this mess from going airborne. So it is a little bit tight in here, not much room, but just give it a little soak. You can let it sit there for a minute or so if you like, but I'm going to get straight into it. So what I like to do at this point, this is my little secret weapon, and that is a little utility blade. So just a little razor blade. That's all we're going to need, and all we're going to do is basically just scrape all this mess off. Now, a lot of people are a bit concerned about scratching their glass or damaging their glass. You're not going to scratch it, you're not going to damage it, as long as you keep your blade nice and flat. So if you try and scrape it, you know, sitting up vertically like this, that's where you're going to start to have any kind of issue. But honestly, this is one of the most fastest, most effective ways out there, and I'll show you guys quickly how to do it. So we can start from the top, but I'm going to start in the middle here just to show you guys the difference. And you can see there instantly the gunk comes right off. So I'm going to draw myself a little line all the way across. It gives me a reference point, and you can see straight through the other side now. Now that I've got my reference point, I'll do the bottom side first. Go all the way around these edges. It always helps to have a fresh blade. This is the most effective way. Now, I've tried so many different chemicals out there that promise the world and charge you an arm and a leg. They're either going to be very harsh chemicals, which most likely won't work anyway, or they simply don't work. And I've tried a lot of different brands out there, and it seems to be a very common issue. Once you clean this shower screen, if you maintain it, you won't have this problem again. So we've gone all the way around the edges now. I can simply, just the bottom side as well. The edges are all nice and clean. Go over the top now. Now you can imagine if I didn't spray that vinegar solution, all of this would have just been all airborne. But keeping it nice and damp, you can see how fast this is to do. The reason why I'm putting this in another video, once again, it is honestly the best hack out there. I mean, have a look at that gunk. Absolutely disgusting. But this is one of the best methods I've come across, and I really want to make sure that people know an easy way to clean their shower screens. Most people will probably look at this shower screen and say, I'm not touching it, it's impossible. All you need is just Bill's How-To. That's it. I'll show you guys the easiest way to get the job done. Doesn't matter which direction you go in. So now this whole bottom section here is all nice and clean. What I might do, I might actually finish this whole window off, or this whole glass panel here off, and then I'll show you guys a comparison side by side, since we've still got a dirty one and we've got a clean one. So now that I'm a little bit more comfortable, should be a bit quicker. Squatting down in a small shower screen for a person of my size isn't the best thing. So now that's all done, we can start again from the top. Now you'll find the top is generally pretty clean. It's mainly down the bottom, as all the soap travels halfway down the shower screen and just sits there. All right, so this side here is all done. That is the mess that we have now removed from our shower screen. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly wash down this side here. Really not much room in here. Same solution, cleaning vinegar and a bit of water. And I absolutely use this for everything. Leaves a streak-free finish. We can just quickly make sure everything's nice and loose before we squeegee this side here off. Any of the mess that's left here now is all from the outside. Take a paper towel or a rag, clean off all that residue, any mess that might be left behind. And this cleaning solution here leaves a streak-free finish. So even if there is a little bit of water or the solution left on here, that'll all dry perfectly. So we'll quickly clean the outside now. Depending on how bad the shower screens are, you might be able to get away with the squeegee on the outside, or you can repeat the process using your razor blade. So in this case here, they are pretty bad, so I might continue on with the razor blade. And once that's done, guys, we've got a perfectly clean shower screen. So you can see here, that is now spotless. Perfect, especially when we compare it to this side right here. Awesome little change right there. It almost looks like there's no glass right there, but that's exactly the finish you guys can expect by using my little tip with using the razor blade. So pretty happy with that. Got 3 more panels to go. And considering we started like this to this, I think we're doing pretty good, guys. So there you have it, guys. Once again, this is how to clean your shower screens perfectly every single time. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.